In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all files from Google Drive at once. Many of us store a large number of files in Google Drive, from work documents to personal photos. Over time, these can pile up and clutter your digital space. Maybe you've decided it's time for a full cleanup or a fresh start. Whatever the reason, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you don't lose anything important by accident. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where your files are stored. Once you're at the My Drive main page, take a moment to review your files and folders. Now, to select everything in your drive, press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, or Command plus A if you're on a Mac. This will highlight all files and folders at once. Before deleting, it's a good idea to double check that nothing essential is included in the selection. Next, look for the trash or bin icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a small trash can. Click it and Google Drive will move all selected items to the trash. However, your files aren't permanently gone yet. Google Drive keeps deleted items in the trash for 30 days before permanently removing them. If you want to completely erase them right away, go to the trash section on the left-hand menu. Inside, press Ctrl plus A or Command plus A again to select all items, then click Delete Forever. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully cleared all files from your Google Drive, freeing up space and organizing your digital workspace. Remember, doing this kind of digital cleanup regularly helps keep your drive neat, efficient, and ready for new projects.